Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and password. Once you have them, open Settings on your iPhone or System Settings on your Mac. Tap your name at the top to access Icloud. This shows your current plan and usage. Make sure you note the build upgrade date and any shared family plan details because those affect cancellation timing. If you need to sign in, do so now. Once signed in, navigate to Manage Storage or iCloud Storage to prepare for the next steps. You now tap Manage Storage or Change Storage Plan. This is where Apple lists available tiers. Choose downgrade options if you want to move to a free 5 GB plan, or select Cancel Subscription if that option appears. Make sure you review how much data you have versus the new limit, because exceeding it will prevent downgrade. Tap Confirm or Done to submit the change. Once submitted, your plan adjusts at the end of the current billing cycle, so verify that date and any family share. Finalize by checking your Apple ID email for a confirmation, and then revisit iCloud storage to confirm the pending change. It usually shows the effective date. If your account exceeds the new quota, free up space, delete backups, large files, or move photos off iCloud, because Apple won't allow the downgrade until usage fits. If the cancellation doesn't show or billing continues, contact Apple support and be ready to provide your Apple ID and the confirmation email. They can resolve timing or account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.